Hello and welcome to HMG Strategy's Global Leadership Institute Recognition Program. I'm here with Max Chan, the Global CIO of Avnet. And Max, congratulations to make it into the HMG Strategy Hall of Fame for Global CIOs.
Thank you, Hunter. Truly a big honor for me. You and I have known each other for multiple years, and getting this recognition from you as well as HMG is humbling, and also the testimonial of the things that I've been able to bring not only to Avnet, our company, but also the industry.
Excellent. You know, Max, we're studying visionary leadership, and more than ever, CEOs need vision and a digital agenda. You're doing some amazing work at Avnet, delivering against a visionary leadership, digital first strategy. Talk to us a little bit more about being digital first.
You know, it's interesting. Avnet has been looking at digitizations or digital transformations for multiple years. But in the last 3 or 4 years, what we have been able to do is to look at it from an enterprise level, right? And really helping the company or everyone across the organization to better understand what digital transformation means to Avnet, what it means to each of the business and every one of us. And the way that we have done it is that we focus so much on the digital enablement of our strategic priority. And I'm not talking about IT or technology strategy here. I'm talking about the business strategy that digital enablement is going to be benefiting.
Great update. Thanks, Max. You know, you worked really hard at your senior level relationships with the CEO, the C-suite, and the line of business, the presidents around the divisions. What was the turning point when you were working with the CEO and said, Max, I want you to own digital as well?
You know, I think it all boils down to how we see ourselves as IT in the organization. I think I have the privilege and also the luxury of being in the organization about 6.5, 7 years before I was made CIO. And during my years at Avnet, before I became CIO, I always worked very closely with the line of business president. My prior role before CIO was the global business relationship person for every single one of the line of business presidents. That allows me to be able to learn the ropes with them, to speak their language.
When you think about yourself as a leader and your leadership style, how would you characterize your leadership style, Max?
I think I am one that is very much focused on the end result, right? It's really less about the flashy stuff. It's really less about the coolest technology. It's what is the business outcome that we are trying to achieve. And I'm trying to bring my entire IT organization down the same path with me. And with that, I also strongly believe that I should set up my team for success and get out of the way for them to do what they need to do, right? I continue to be expected to clear any roadblocks for them, and providing them with the necessary tools and resources so that they can be successful. But important thing is get out of the way by empowering the right leader to deliver the right outcome.
Great insights. You know, without getting too technical, to shift the conversation here for a minute, ChatGPT and AI and large language models are really the rage now across the world. What does it mean for the enterprise, and how are you in a sandbox beginning to look at AI and the potential for Avnet?
Now, AI is not something new to Avnet, right? We have been dabbling in AI, be it machine learning or natural language processing, or automations and robotics, etc., for many years now. ChatGPT basically just gives a lot more exposure to the masses, essentially. right? But ChatGPT, is a good combinations of machine learning as well as natural language processing. It allows more people to have access and better interactions with artificial intelligence. So enterprises need to embrace this revolutions. I call it revolution because it's hitting us like a bullet train right now, right? Uh, the reason that I'm saying that simply because if we don't think about how you can leverage that, you're going to be left behind. People need to stop fearing what ChatGPT or generative AI is going to bring to the market and how it's going to displace us. Instead, we need to look at how we can embrace it and leverage for better productivity, better efficiency, even to the extent of transforming the market, the industry completely. So as far as we are concerned, from our electronic component technology distribution type of industry, one of the key areas that we add value to our customer is through through design services. Now, with artificial intelligence, leveraging something like a generative design algorithm allowed us then to, instead of the engineer producing 2 or 3 designs for a customer, the engineer can leverage AI to come up with 30 different designs, and using their expertise, using their experience, pick the right one to present to the customer, which could potentially be better and more relevant to what the customer needs. So this is one of the many, many examples that we see applying AI as well as ChatGPT in the enterprise.
Max, you've had an amazing career at Avnet as a truly global executive. What is it about your mission and your passion and your vision that really lights a fire and gets you excited?
My passion definitely is around technology and how technology can make this world a better place, make enterprises a better business, and give all of us a better life. And being able to look at how that is being applied in the many facets of life in the world is what keeps me going. And I don't think I will be able to step away from technology or the realm of technology anytime soon.
Great stuff. Any career advice, parting thoughts, and career advice for our aspiring IT leaders? Everyone wants that seat, that CIO seat. Any thoughts about career advice?
Yeah, a few things. We talk about AI and ChatGPT earlier, right? First thing first, don't be afraid to try anything new. Change is never easy, but if you have the inquisitive mind to try something new, to think about how that can be leveraged is really key. Number two, don't be afraid to get out of your shelf. I, for one, have moved from continent to continent, country to country throughout my 30 plus years of my career. And I associated that to where I am, what got me to where I am today. Number three, build network, build strong connections. Right? HMG network is a great place where you can build network, like-minded people, and who knows, the next promotion or the next opportunity you get might be people you meet in HMG network or through Hunter.
Hey, Max, congratulations. You joined key top global technology leaders like Ken Spangler of FedEx, Sheila Jordan at Honeywell, Tom Peck at Cisco Foods, all in the Hall of Fame. Again, congratulations, and thank you so much for being so engaged and being such a good friend of all the years.
Thank you, Hunter. Truly honored.
For more information, please visit hmgstrategy.com and keep up to date by following us on our social media platforms. Thank you.